Ever applied for a Barclays credit card and wondered where they peek at your credit history? Maybe you've heard whispers about Transunion, one of the big three credit bureaus. Perhaps you're strategically building credit and want to know which bureau to focus on polishing. Well, fret no more, credit card aficionados, because today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of Barclays credit card applications and their credit bureau dance. Now, you might be thinking, why does it even matter which bureau they pull from? That's a fantastic question. See, your credit score can vary slightly between the three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and Transunion. This is because they track slightly different information and have their own unique scoring models. So, knowing which bureau Barclays favors can be a strategic advantage, especially if you're working on improving your credit score. So, buckle up, credit card enthusiasts, because we're about to crack the code on Barclays and Transunion. The big reveal, does Barclays pull Transunion? Alright, the suspense is killing me too. Here's the juicy secret, Barclays heavily favors Transunion when evaluating credit card applications. In fact, it's overwhelmingly likely they'll pull your credit report from Transunion. There are a few sources for this intel. First, credit card experts and forums consistently report Transunion as the go-to bureau for Barclays. Second, many Barclays customers themselves have confirmed that Transunion was the bureau pinged during their application process. But wait, there's a twist. While Transunion is the usual suspect, it's not always a guaranteed pull. Here's why. The Frozen Bureau Shuffle. Imagine you've frozen your Transunion report, a security measure to prevent unauthorized credit checks. If that's the case, and Barclays can't access your Transunion report, they might switch gears and pull from another bureau, likely Experian. The existing customer exception, loyalty, has its perks. If you're already a happy Barclays customer with a good track record, they might use your existing account information instead of pulling a fresh credit report altogether. So, what does this mean for you? Alright, armed with the knowledge that Barclays is a Transunion devotee, how can you leverage this information? Focus on Transunion. If you're actively building credit or aiming for a Barclays card, prioritize keeping your Transunion report squeaky clean. This means paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and disputing any errors you find. Monitor all three bureaus, don't neglect the other two bureaus entirely. While Transunion might be Barclays' darling, maintaining good credit hygiene across all three bureaus is a smart long-term strategy. Know your rights. You have the right to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Take advantage of this and monitor your reports for inaccuracies. Beyond Transunion, additional tips for Barclays applicants. While Transunion is a key player, remember, it's not the sole factor in a Barclays decision. Here are some additional tips to strengthen your application. Meet the income requirements. Barclays cards often have minimum income requirements. Ensure you meet or exceed these before applying. Check for pre-approval offers. Barclays sometimes offers pre-approval options that allow you to see if you're likely to get approved without a hard credit check. Consider your credit score. While the exact score requirement varies by card, generally, a good to excellent credit score, above 670, increases your approval odds. Application strategy. Applying for multiple cards in a short period can trigger multiple hard inquiries, which can ding your credit score. Plan your application strategically and avoid a credit inquiry frenzy. There you have it, folks. The mystery of Barclays and Transunion is solved. With a focus on Transunion, a healthy dose of creditworthiness, and a strategic application approach, you're well on your way to securing that coveted Barclays credit card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.